getting hungry. A vending machine, good. Okay. I wonder what that was. What if this is a price, but that's not a price anymore. But we have banana. That's probably like misspelled, but Jello, cookies, popsicle, Fruit Loops, and fruit snacks. I'm going for some Jello. So this. Whoa! Guys, Jello. Yay. Jello. Okay, let's try this one more time. What if we did the Jello, so we don't want any more Jello. Cookies, banana, popsicle, Fruit Loops, or fruit snacks. I think I should go for the cookies. Whoa, guys! Look! Cookies! Yay! Take cookies. Maybe I'll just peanut butter. Good flavor. I don't know. I'm gonna even eat those. I don't like peanut. But Jello, how does this look like? Is this like the powder? Oh yeah, it's powder, if you can know, guys. So yeah, it's the powder, and then you have to store it for like 2 minutes, something like that. Then you have to put it in the fridge for like 5 hours. So well, let's get one snack so I can eat right now, because this will take a long time and I don't think I want these. So we done Jello, we done cookies, fruit snacks, that won't film. Fruit Loops, it's not even breakfast time anymore. Popsicle, it's a little too cold for ice cream today. So what if we do the banana? Yeah. Whoa. Guys, really? Look, it's a banana. Wow. Whoops. Maybe we should see. Does this machine even work? What happens if you click fruit snacks? Out of stock. What? They're out of stock of fruit snacks? Fruit Loops. Out of stock of Fruit Loops. What? Out of stock of popsicles. What? This popsicle. Go machine. These. So. Let me see in the back of the machine. Yeah. It looks like they only have this, a banana, this left. So it looks like these all are valuable, but these are not even valuable. So maybe we should get one more banana. Oh guys, look, it's a banana. Okay. Buddy, so I was gonna bake some cookies, and I baked them for my grandma. So I'm gonna go. I actually baked them for my mommy. So let's go get them out of the oven. Here they are in the oven. It looks like they're in. Yummy cookies. I'll close the oven. Let's see inside the oven. Wow. Okay. So we have these cookies, but I need to go get a bag. Actually, I need to go get a napkin. put them in the napkin. I'm gonna stand here. I'm gonna take the cookies. Hey, the cookies were right here, literally. The cookies were there. Where did they go? Weird. I wonder where these cookies even went. Let's go search then. Let's search this whole room. No. In the box? No. 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 Wait, the cookies. I wonder how did they get over there? I wonder. Let's just wrap them up. My hands are getting sticky. Wee. Okay, got the cookies. Let's put them on the plate. Now I got them. Here they are. Let's go deliver them. Oh, there's my cookies. Yep, here you go. Wait. Where did they go? Search. The box? No. Here they are. Here you go. Have a good day. Bye.